Pressure here. So there's the top. There's the tip off. Ball control ma Royal sanga. So Bjorn Morrison. Rebound ma there Susan Morrison. Susan Morrison driving in and he gets it. 26 point ko lead लाई. ल यहाँ फिर fast break ma Prasang goes maske. Pointers in that game. Bjorn Morrison. र त्यहाँ पास अनिल खड्गीलाई तर एयर बल फेरि पनि फास्ट ब्रेकमा प्रसाङ डोज मास्के गोइङ फर द लेफ्ट ह्यान्डेड एन्ड ही कन्भर्ट्स इट सुजन लेफ्ट ह्यान्डेड रिलिज एन्ड ही गेट्स इट सोम्यान फ्रम द क्विक आउटलेट टु निश्चल ही पुल्स अप एन्ड ही कन्भर्ट्स इट fall here is first personal fall. Susan Morrison now for the second. He converts it. So third position. So Sonam Bhutia driving in. Short corner ma deha Sayun Rai. The offensive board ma Soman and a very Nikin Rambo start बनाइसकेका छन्. And the second he converts. Fails the stolen by Nishal. He's open from the perimeter. He pulls up and he converts it. So Royal अहिले 1-2 defense formation ma Anil Khargi. Bjorn Morrison to Susan Morrison. Here Sayun he pulls up from the perimeter and he converts it. Very good start. Team Royal go. Sayun Rai pulling up. So I was talking about him. He had also to Prasang. He fires up and he converts it. Transition ma Prasang goes maske going for the reverse layup and he converts it. Susan transition ma ball lai badhaउँदै and left-handed he converts it for the lead. Still Sayun र यहाँ Sonam Bhutia right time ma right place ma now Kirtipur gains back the lead and Prasant goes maske pass Prasant Morrison र यहाँ कि hustle ball को लागि but they have the ball to Bjorn Morrison driving in a floater and Sayun and a layup on transition ma अहिले Royal Susan fakes he drives and a left-handed layup is Yordic outlet pass to Bjorn Morrison. Bisal from the paint. Bisal Gurung for Royal. So Prasan Morrison on the free throw line for 2. Bhutia, they have the numbers. 3-on-3 here now. And that's the one. Maske driving in. Kicks out to Assis from the corner. Assis Basned. And that's the answer. B driving in. Now Assis from the corner. And back to back. A quick pass here. From the deep. Wow. So Rabi to Prasang. He fires up from the corner. Sonam pulling up from the mid-range. He converts it. Assis. Bjorn Morrison. He fires up. And he converts it. Rabi Paudel. Bisal Gurung. And he gets Sonam Bhutia to Nishal. He's open. He fires up. And he converts. Royal go. Corner Mainap. Assis Thapa from the perimeter. Nothing but net. Susan. To Bjorn Morrison. What a good to calm down. To take that important free shot. And make him open to take the shot. त्यहाँ steal हुन्छ assist हुन्छ rebound हुन्छ and now Bjorn Morrison to Rabi. Susan easy pull up pass from Bjorn Morrison to Bisal. अब अहिले Rabi pulling up from the mid range. So Anil to inbound the ball. Sonam Bhutia. And now Sayun Rai from the mid range. He converts it. Now for the second. He converts the second one. Out from the court. So Pujan Shrestha, so Prasang goes maske, converting the first one and he converts the second one as well. And now Nishal. It's a 6-point game. Makes it 7 point. Converts the board to Sonam, sorry. The left-handed layup is good. Soyun right. He drives and a quick release. Soyun to Anil. He fires up. And that's the rainbow. Assist to Ramlo pass there. Subham go to assist again. Assist driving in. And the layup. It's a 5-point game. Nishal firing up. He scores it. Prasank Rozmaske pulling up from the mid-range. He converts it. From the short corner, Nishal Tara. Rebound mate hai Ashish. Prasank from using the board, he converts. Ravi. He fires up. And he converts that 3-pointer. Passes to Anil. He drives from the baseline. Okay, a fumble. And that's the... So Anil for a chance to make a 3-point play here. And he converts that basket. Ravi. He drives. And gets the easy layup. He converts in his third attempt to Susan. 4 to shoot. Bilal Marzan. The offensive board but has Subham. Pass to Bilal Marzan. To Subham. Not being able to convert. Bilal Marzan still there. Ashish to Binod. Ravi. He's open. And to Nishal. He fires up from the perimeter and he replies. Ashish Basnet. Ashish Thapa pulling up from the mid-range. He converts it. Quick outlet, fast break Ravi Porel. Getting that easy layup. Team Royal pushing every ball for fast break. Anil Khurgi ko 3-on-2. They have the numbers. Ashish. And Prasank 5 to shoot. He pulls up from the short corner. He makes it. Soyun pulling up from the mid-range. And he converts it. Prasank Rozmaske to Binod. He drives and gets the easy layup. Binod Mahajan. Quick pass. Soyun. He gets the ball shot. Soyun looking for a pass. Sonam Budialai. And he converts. By Soyun. 2-on-1 Soyun. Kicks out to Nishal. He fires it up. And that's nothing but net. So Binod getting his own rebound. Binod Marzan again. They'll convert here on Sake now, but stolen. Binod Marzan again. And now he converts. Prasank, Maske, reverse layup. And he gets that and one. So Prasank. Go. Ball now over the Sonam Budia. Ashish. He pulls up from the mid-range. He connects. Prasank Rozmaske. So with that fall, Prasank Rozmaske converting his first one and the second, he converts it. Able to keep the ball in control. Sonam to Anil. What a good ball rotation. Prasank Rozmaske. Getting through the defender and he gets that layup. Fakes, steps through and the floater is good. Agadi Bonalde. Soyun Rai kicks out to Nishal. He's open from the perimeter and he drills it. Back to Susan. Prasank Rozmaske. Susan. He gets it. Poland. The fast break Maske. Getting that left-handed easy layup. Maske. Raya. Fast break Ashish Thapa. Getting that easy layup. He misses, but Binod Marzan is a very good shooter. He converts the first one. Binod Marzan. Is he trying to miss the shot? Or not? They have to rush. They have to rush. They cannot keep passing there. They have to rush. So Nishal Marzan. He converts it. Ashish Basnet. He converts. So they have to grab the rebound here. But he converts. Ashish. Nishal. He fires it up. Nishal. And he ties the game. Should not commit any foul. And there it is. What a game. What a shot.